Okay.
And I am at a work party for the Pacific community for habitat restoration, and we are pulling up invasive leaves, after the planting party in late June, of which I participated. And as you see, there are plenty of these Himalaya blackberries that are really very invasive. And some of these is native vegetation, produces different edible berries. And here, we have helpers here.
Mm-hmm.
Here, and there, you can have kids that participate. And I am grateful for this opportunity to be able to and we're so fortunate, to have this nice weather, being that it's late October already. Thank you.